Hello guys, so this is my first video ever. Uh, I'm just going to show my full journey trading NQ and how I improved myself. I'm gonna stay constant as much as I can. And yeah, this is my first video. I was about to buy an eval on Apex, however, this shit is not fucking working, the fucking Apex. So today we will just do paper trading. So now, I'm just gonna say how I'm expecting to the market plays out today, and just before we jump into the market, I was just gonna say my mentor is just in Verlaine, so I'm using Forever model, which means he's the one who created the Forever model. And yeah, I just create this channel just to show you how I get better and got better um, day after day. Sorry about my English. I'm a Portuguese guy and I don't speak very well English, but yeah, I'll just also try to show as much as info I can and to make some friendships with some day traders. So yeah, we just going to the day. So just going to the day from both sides. Yeah, going to the day. Yesterday we tapped this bearish fair value gap. This bearish fair value gap, and we just went straight to this internal sell side liquidity. Right, as you can see here, we just went straight to this sell side liquidity. So now we just zoom into the 4 hour. Remember, we still have this external sell side liquidity. So I think my drawn liquidity will be this level right here. So yeah, so we just swept this sell side, we swept this internal sell side on both assets. Let me just show you here. We swept, and then we go into the 1 hour. We manipulated, we manipulated, and why we didn't still go up? Because we just rebalance to equilibrium, right? We are in discount, and we just ran through this bullish fair value gap in both assets. So we just ran through, we are tapping it, and maybe we can just go lower. This is my bias. My bias is fucking bearish right now because we just ran through. However, and we still have this buy side liquidity right here on both assets. And also we have this bearish imbalance getting respected. So when I zoom to the 50-minute, we have this change the state, ne? We fucking manipulated and we just went straight up, um, changing the state, but we didn't swap any buy side. We just created even more a bearish SMT gets put in here, and also we tapped these bearish fair value gaps. However, we got a big ass rejection, yeah, from this level right here, this bullish fair value gap. But I would think we just keep going lower. So my bias for today is fucking bearish, and we are just dumping a lot, right? So in the midnight session, we just dropped 350 points. So we can expect we fucking accumulate a little bit on New York session. Alright, so this is my preview. This is my preview and say how the market probably plays out. And as my mentor says, just just react what the market does. I'm not trying to guess where it is going, but I just say I got a bearish bias, which is a higher time frames direction, and we also have this change the state right here. It's a bearish change the state. So yeah, we're fucking bearish right now. Let's zoom to the 5 minute. This is fucking the bearishest. So like if we opened and we manipulate this, I'm probably taking a short to then take this and this external liquidity and this external liquidity. So oops, my bad. And yeah guys, I'm just gonna do my trade recap after, and remember tomorrow we have FOMC, so I gotta be careful today. And yeah, so I'll be right back. So guys, I just end take this trade. I just exited right here when this bearish fair value gap on both sides on the 1 minute just ran through. So like I just took this entry right here. Um, I just took it, and right before this, let me just put like the fuck. Uh, no fucking hell, bro. So this is not a fucking time frame is this? Yeah, so we were right here. As I said, the bias was fucking bearish. What I was expecting, just coming right here. I was expecting a manipulation and then a displace through, right? To then go lower. So what ended happening? I took two trades, right? Let's just go. So market ended doing this shit, right? We just manipulated, but we did not manipulate these highs. That was my fucking mistake, right? So I just and we manipulated and then we just displaced too. So this was like my entry. Put stop loss right here. I was targeting this shit. So on the next minute, we just took me out on the trade, right? But I was still pretty confident on the bias. So what it happens? We tap the 15-minute change in the state to the downside. We manipulate. We touch the bearish fair value gap right here. There was no bearish SMT, right? But we just stand. We was just standing on this bearish fair value gap, and once we just pass through this shit in both assets, I took my short. Targeting this low, this was my first take profit, so I just put it here. First take profit. Today I went light also because yes, tomorrow is FOMC and day before FOMC, you just should put less contracts, right? So yeah, the problem was today I just took trades on paper trading because I couldn't buy any eval on Apex, so their site is not functioning. So I just took paper trading, but it's okay. Like price action is fucking clean. This was super clean. We swept buy side, it's manipulating, and then once we just ran through, I know where the market is going to. This low, and also I just left a runner to this right here. So I just exit. We just went lower and lower and lower, right? Just putting it more fast. Fuck. Just went lower, right? Lower, lower. Also, yes, going lower. Yeah, we're probably just gonna hit this shit right now. But I just exit when we just ran this bearish fair value gap right here. Yeah, right here I just exit my full position and we can maybe just keep going lower, right? So yeah, it was we just didn't run through because we were bullish. We just rebalanced to equilibrium again, right? So I just should wait even more patiently. so I just could get like 100 points more. But it's okay. I'm completely done. And also this trade was like I just exit right here, right? 3 to 4 to 14 RR. So like it was really better and got me up on the day after taking this trade, right? I took this first trade, I just got stopped, and then I took this second one with the same lot size, which was very few. And yeah, I'm fucking done on the day, bro. I'm fucking happy. God is leading the way. For like first video, a green day is literally really good. I don't know if we're just gonna now change the state this to go higher, or fuck, or maybe turtle souping this. What means turtle soup? Just doing this shit, manipulating, and then going lower, right? It can just happen this, which I am expecting because the drawn liquidity is not even this low, as I said on the pre-markets. I was really thinking this was the drawn liquidity. Like I should just maybe put my take profit right here, but I'm done with the trade, and at any time you can just reverse like to the upside, which is happening right here. I just like if I want, I could just took like a long right here. We just displace through to the upside, but we don't have that much buy side liquidity, and we still have sell side liquidity resting below. So I'm not taking a long, and we just also feeling this bearish 5 minute fair value gap, right? So if we just displace this, yeah, we're fucking bullish, but I do not think we're just gonna do that. I'm just gonna think we will go even lower, and tomorrow is FOMC day, so don't trade before FOMC. And I will tomorrow also talk about if we just went lower or not, right? So I'm just done here. Tomorrow we have more, and tomorrow I'm just going to try to pass an eval, right? Which didn't happen today because I couldn't buy because the apex side is fucking off, right? So have a good rest, guys. I'm gonna hit the gym. You should also hit the gym, right? And yeah, I'm done.